flowing it around. Yeah, take a huge breath in. And feeling more, thinking less when you make that turn, spinning it back. Nice. That's it. Big breath and then curving and flowing. Right, and one of the reasons I like this dragon is because it's a new muscle group. You know, Warrior 1, Warrior 2, Parsvakonasana, angle posture, revolving lunge, they're all the same muscle group. There's no difference. However, this, right, spinning back, coming up, this is a different muscle group we're working now, which is kind of cool. Yeah. Take a huge inhale. Shari, switch hands. That's a very common thing to do, is confusing that when you first do dragon. Okay, then spinning back, flowing. You're doing good. You're natural dragons. Huge inhale. And again, curving, flowing back. Yep. And now this time you're going to spin, but you're going to lift the right knee and the right foot up. Right? Turn the left foot to face forward like you would be in dragon. So turn the other way, Mike. Turn left foot forward. Yep. And now step back into triangle. That's it, Christy. Perfect. All right. And voila. Je made the transition. And how about on this side, maybe we'll do just reaching out of your heart center and aligning with that your heart truly desires. Just make that alignment right now, real simple. All right, beautiful. Give that a few more breaths. And then you want to simply bend the left knee, left hand